Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to file state taxes using Cash App. First, make sure you have all your important tax documents ready, like W-2 forms, 1099 forms, and any other income statements. Cash App Taxes provides a completely free service for both federal and state tax returns, which is a fantastic benefit. You can conveniently file both returns at the same time through their platform. It's a straightforward process designed to simplify your tax season. To begin, open your Cash App and navigate to the Taxes section. You'll be prompted to enter your personal information, including your Social Security number and address. Carefully input all your income details from your W-2 and 1099 forms. Don't forget to add any applicable deductions or tax credits you qualify for, as these can significantly reduce your tax liability. The platform guides you step by step through each section. Once all your information is entered, take your time to thoroughly review both your federal and state tax returns. It's crucial to double-check every number and personal detail to avoid any errors or delays. The system will prompt you to electronically sign your documents, confirming the accuracy of your submission. After signing, you can securely submit both your federal and state returns directly through the Cash App platform. You'll receive confirmation once they are successfully filed. After successfully filing, remember to save digital or physical copies of your completed tax returns for your personal records. You can also track the status of your refund or payment directly through the Cash App or the IRS and state tax websites. If you have any questions or encounter issues, Cash App Taxes provides support resources to assist you. Should you discover an error after filing, you can typically amend your return within 3 years of the original filing date.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.